How to become cybersecurity engineer. As we embark on this journey, it's vital to understand the escalating demand for cybersecurity professionals. Cyber threats are on the rise, with a staggering 600% increase in cyberattacks in 2020 alone, according to a report by IBM Security.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
These attacks target individuals, businesses, and even governments, resulting in massive data breaches and financial losses. Industry demand and career opportunities. The demand for cybersecurity engineers extends across various sectors. Finance, healthcare, government, and technology are among the industries actively seeking cybersecurity experts to safeguard their digital infrastructure. With an estimated 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs worldwide by 2021, as reported by Cybersecurity Ventures, the opportunities for aspiring professionals are abundant. As you delve deeper into this guide, keep in mind that your pursuit of becoming a cybersecurity engineer aligns with a pressing need in the digital landscape. The road ahead is challenging but profoundly rewarding. Let's explore the steps that will lead you to a fulfilling career in cybersecurity. What does a cybersecurity engineer do? Let's delve into the fascinating world of what a cybersecurity engineer actually does. This section will unravel the unique responsibilities and tasks that define this essential role, shedding light on their pivotal role in safeguarding digital assets. Role and responsibilities. A cybersecurity engineer is a guardian of an organization's digital fortress. Their primary responsibilities include safeguarding digital assets. Cybersecurity experts protect an organization's valuable information, computer systems, and networks from online dangers, making sure that confidential data stays safe. Spotting weak spots. They regularly check the organization's security to find any potential gaps or weaknesses that could be used by cyber attackers. Handling security incidents. When a security problem like a breach or cyberattack happens, these professionals step in to manage the situation, limit harm, and recover from the incident. Setting security rules. They create and make sure that everyone follows security rules and best practices, ensuring that both employees and computer systems meet cybersecurity standards. Teaching security awareness. Cybersecurity experts educate employees about the risks in the digital world and encourage a culture of safety within the organization. Technical skills. Programming proficiency. Cybersecurity engineers must be comfortable with programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++. This skill allows them to analyze and create tools for threat detection and response. Network security. A strong understanding of network protocols, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems is fundamental. You'll need to protect an organization's network infrastructure from external threats. Cryptography. Knowledge of cryptographic principles is crucial for safeguarding sensitive data. Understanding encryption algorithms and their applications is essential in securing information. Operating systems and architecture. Familiarity with various operating systems, Windows, Linux, Unix, and knowledge of system architecture are essential for assessing vulnerabilities and implementing security measures. Cybersecurity tools. Proficiency with cybersecurity tools like Wireshark, Metasploit, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS, is essential for threat detection, analysis, and mitigation. Non-technical skills. Analytical skills. Cybersecurity engineers must possess strong analytical abilities to identify patterns, trends, and potential security threats. Effective analysis is critical for proactive threat mitigation. Communication skills. The ability to convey complex security concepts to both technical and non-technical stakeholders is paramount. Cybersecurity engineers often need to explain security risks and solutions clearly. Problem-solving skills. In this field, every day brings new challenges. Being a skilled problem solver will enable you to respond swiftly and effectively to security incidents. Adaptability. Cyber threats evolve continuously. Staying updated on emerging threats and technologies and adapting to change are essential to remain effective in this ever-changing landscape. Ethical and legal integrity. Ethical conduct is at the core of cybersecurity. Professionals must adhere to ethical standards and legal regulations while safeguarding digital assets. What are the prerequisites to become a cybersecurity engineer? Before diving into the actionable steps to become a cybersecurity engineer, it's crucial to understand the foundational prerequisites. Educational background. While a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field is beneficial, it's not always mandatory. Some cybersecurity professionals also have degrees in mathematics or physics. However, higher education can open doors to more advanced roles. Foundational IT knowledge. A solid understanding of IT basics, including networking, system administration, and computer hardware, is fundamental. Cybersecurity fundamentals. Before specializing, grasp the core concepts of cybersecurity, including threat detection, risk management, and security policies. Personal qualities. Traits such as a strong work ethic, attention to detail, and ethical integrity are invaluable in the field of cybersecurity.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.